Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about 10 side hustle ideas for college students to make money online. Did you know as a college student you can start a side hustle, start making thousands of dollars at the end of the week, at the end of the month? All you need to do is just start. So the first side hustle that I'm going to talk about is called freelance writing. What is freelance writing? So you offer your writing skills on platform like Upwork, Fiverr.com, and of course many business people usually post jobs of wanting to hire people who can write for them articles because they want to use those articles to sell their products or services. So many business people and bloggers look for content creators. So yes, go on Upwork.com, go on Fiverr.com, go on Freelancer.com, go on ProBloggers.com. You'll find jobs which are being posted there of bloggers, business people who are looking for writers to write for them, and of course you promote their products and services through the articles you're writing about. So the next other website is called online tutoring. So you use your expertise in a particular subject to help other students through online tutoring platform like Chegg Tutors or tutor.com. You know there are students who literally take a little bit of longer to grasp on knowledge on certain subjects. So of course you, if you're good at a certain subject, you can offer that skill and start earning money online at the end of the day. This is a side hustle. It will help you to earn some $100 or even $1,000, and it will be able to pay your bills. So let's proceed to the next website. It's called Virtual Assistant. Virtual assistant is whereby you provide administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs as virtual assistant. So you do tasks like email management, scheduling, and data entry. So you work at the comfort of your home, you work at the comfort of your dorm, you work at the comfort maybe in a cafeteria, and you do this work as a virtual assistant. You get paid per hour because they usually charge around $10, $20 per hour, and you're able to, in the process at the end of the week, you're able to earn like $300, $500, even more than that, and you're able to pay your bills and take care of yourself. So the next job that you can do as a college student is called graphic design. Graphic design is whereby you have graphic design skills and you sell those skills online. Canva is your best place where you can do these graphic things. Canva has thousands and thousands of designs. Your work is just to go on canva.com and choose the design you're interested in, upload, sell that design, and you get paid. So of course you sell your graphic design on social media, which is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and they're looking for graphic designer from around the world, and you work remotely. How much you can earn at the end of the day? You can earn like $100, $200, $300, or even $1,000 per week, depending on how much you're charging and the type of clients you're dealing with. The other website is called social media marketing. Social media management is you help small businesses or individuals manage their social media accounts. This include content creation, you schedule posts, and engage with the audience. Why do they do that right now? Because right now multi-billion-dollar industry is found on the social media platform. Companies who want to engage with their customer, they have to go on social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, because that's where their customers are. And what they need is people who are good at managing social media platform. And when you manage that, you get paid, and of course you charge per hour or you charge per project, and you can end up earning $1,000 per week, or even more, even much more, depending on how much you're charging and the type of clients you're dealing with. And you're doing this as a college student. The next job that you can do as a college student is called affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you're promoting a product or a services, and when people, every time someone click through your affiliate link, a product or services, you end up earning a commission. So you promote product or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can use platform like Amazon Associate or ClickBank to end up earning money, and you pay $1,000, especially when you have a huge platform of audience who are following you. So every time you promote a product or services, when people click on that, on your affiliate link, you end up earning a commission, which translates to a lot of money at the end of the day. Another platform you can do, it's called online survey and reviews. So you participate in online survey or write product reviews to earn some extra cash. Websites like Swagbuck or Survey Junkie, they offer such opportunity. And remember, it's free of charge to do these types of job. You do this job free of, you do it free because signing up on this website is free. And then once you do the job you deliver, you get paid. That's what you need to remember. Signing up on this website is free of charge. They don't charge you anything. So another job that you can do as a college student is called as follow. You sell handmade crafts or art on social media platform like Etsy. So if you are into crafting or art, you can end up selling you can sell up your creations on platform like Etsy. This can be a great way to earn your hobbies. You turn your hobbies into a side income, and sometimes most people, their side hustle end up turning into a full income. Are you at the beginning when you're starting out, because you don't have a lot of customer, you're still new, you might end up earning like a few $100s here and there. But once you establish your store and you are known and people like your products, you end up earning $1,000 at the comfort of your home. And this is a side hustle, and you as a college student, you end up being able to pay your bills and become financially independent. Another hustle you can do as a college student is called podcasting or YouTube channel. You create content on a topic you're passionate about. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorship, or affiliate marketing. That's how people earn money through YouTube. These content creators you're seeing on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, you see them earning money through affiliate marketing when they promote products, services, sponsorship when companies want to work with the influencer to promote their brands on their platform, or through ads. Company want to advertise through through your using your blog to your target audience. So that's how people earn money online. You can end up earning $1,000 per month, because once you have an audience, getting this converting them into sales is a bit much easier. Another way you can earn money. Okay, those are 10 ways you can earn money as a college student. So guys, if you find this video to be useful, please subscribe to my channel. Remember to manage your time effectively, and to ensure that your side hustle doesn't interfere with the academics responsibility. Yes, you're a college student. Yes, you're looking for ways to earn money, and this video is for you. But remember, you need to also work hard in your studies as much as you want to earn money online. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, of course drop your comments. I love to hear from you guys. Drop your comments and let me know what you think. All right guys, thank you so much, and God bless you.